Pretty little young thing. Man, we used to have big dreams. We used to play on the same team. And now it seems like I got to grab the beam and put it on her motherfucking forehead. And come to my senses for the bitch end up dead. She laying in my motherfucking bed, sleep. While I'm going out here being a whole creep. Bitch, what's up under them sheets? I don't give a fuck what you did last week. I'ma tell you something, man, it's today. I don't give a fuck how your money was made. I'ma just spread your ass like marmalade on my motherfucking English muffin. Knock the pussy out like it was some stuffing. In the teddy bear, in the chair with the ruffin. I don't even care, I'm down with the ruffin. I don't even care if y'all don't say nothing. I'ma just go in my motherfucking trunkin' and get that motherfucking Willie drumming. That's what I nicknamed my big pumpin'. Y'all motherfuckers out here pump faking. Y'all niggas still hating. Motherfucker, I'ma make a Muslim eat bacon. Nigga out here, I don't worship no Satan. I stole that line, y'all niggas still hating. Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Yeah, she green like a Mr. Yuck sticker. I used to want to fuck a big sister, but then I said I get with her. I left behind my issues, and now I'm out here in therapy. And seeing if they remember me. I'm out here like a G. I'm by myself so lonely. These streets done turned so cold. Old people done turned old. Man, they used to be young. I remember when your son was 21, huh? And now we all grown. It's hard to phone home. It's even hard to call mom. But I'm still going like I got my own farm.
Yeah. About to start growing shit like them cattle niggas. Making our own means, nigga. That good pack. Smoking that hushberry.
And now we're growing our own weed. You can come to the door, you can't get what you need. You gotta do it all by phone. And we'll pick it up, deliver it right to your home. Each and every zone, northeast, northwest, the southeast, southwest. That's at the whole DC. You can come get you some tree, and it's of pure quality. Nothing but that premium. And hit your lungs like a motherfucking kick drum. Boom, boom, bang, bang. You'll never smoke on the same thing. No change. Motherfucker come crack money. No shorts.
Hey.
Cash out, bitch, hope.
As I approach this tree, I try to release, but it loses control. And as you can see, I'm stuck in a tree. On the left upper corner, you can see the propeller trying to give loose. And finally, I come tumbling to the ground on my feet. Previously raining, so it's a bunch of water up. Bunch of random bystanders appeared out of the woods. I guess they're not used to seeing drones around these parts.